LED crystal film screen installation tools. The first, infrared laser level. The second, soft scraper. The third, latex gloves. The fourth, dust-free absorbent paper. The fifth, spray bottle and detergent. Detergent for cleaning glass or clear acrylic panels and keeping the installation surface clean. The first step is to clean the glass or the acrylic panels. Spray a little cleaner on the glass, then clean it with a soft squeegee. The second step is to wet the area where the monitor will be installed with a small amount of water. The third step, peel off the product protection film. If you intend to use the LED crystal film screen repeatedly in different locations, you must prepare your own protective film, as the surface of the crystal film screen is sticky and will attract dust. Step 4. Spray a little water to the front of the module. Step 5. Position the module for installation and adhere it to the glass. Step 6. Spray a little water on the back of the module. Step 7. Quickly drain the water with a soft spatula. Step 8. Using a dust-free absorbent paper towel, dry the water. If you believe the module is crooked and wish to repaste it, tear it slowly, please. This is the result of attaching the module to the glass.